This video will show you how to assemble your iWALK 3.0. Please follow along. Before you start assembly, ensure that the iWALK will work for you by viewing our qualifications for use video. It is highly recommended that you watch the complete assembly video first and then re-watch it to follow along and build your iWALK crutch. Let's identify the various components. This bag contains one of the three straps, the clamp nut and bolt. Older versions have a plastic gate strap, while newer versions have a fabric gate strap already installed. The functionality is the same. These are the thigh supports. There's a left and a right thigh support. These are the support tubes. There's a left and right. This is the lower crutch tube assembly, the knee platform, which has the calf strap installed, the upper crutch assembly and the thumb screws. Step 1. Install lower tube assembly into the knee platform. Remove the calf strap from the knee platform. First, remove the blue buckle, grasp the buckle, and push down. Remove the black buckle by gently lifting up on the locking tab while pushing down on the buckle. If you lift the locking tab too far, you can damage the buckle. Also, don't use tools to lift the locking tab. Place both straps aside for now. Place the knee platform face down on a flat surface. Align the push button spring with the front of the socket. Place one hand on the foot to apply downward force. While pushing down on the foot with your other hand, push the spring head in. Push down on the foot until the tube contacts the bottom of the socket. If the connection is tight, use a twisting motion on the foot while pushing down until the tube contacts the bottom of the socket. Rotate the foot 90 degrees until the spring head aligns with the hole. The spring head needs to pop into the hole. Test the connection by twisting forcefully on the foot. You should not be able to rotate the foot. Ensure that the clamp has not moved from its correct position. Reposition it as shown if necessary. Step 2. Install the thigh supports. Remove the thumb screws from the handle. Install the right thigh support. Install the thumb screw and tighten approximately 50% so that you can lift and rotate the thigh support. Lift the thigh support and rotate until the pointer is on the number 6 setting. Install the left thigh support using the same procedure. Install the upper crutch assembly into the sockets at the front of the knee platform. If the fit is tight, push inward on the tubes while simultaneously pushing down. Make sure that the hole near the end of the tube aligns with the hole in the knee platform. Make sure both sides align. It's important that you install this upper crutch assembly first, before you install the support tubes. Step 4. Install the support tubes. As shown earlier, there's a right and left support tube. These correspond to the right and left side of the knee platform. Remember, you must install the upper crutch assembly before you install the support tubes. First, install the right support tube. Double check to make sure that you're installing the correct tube. Then install the tube. Make sure to push down on the upper tube during installation to keep the upper assembly tube in position. Check the connection by pulling the tubes in opposite directions. Pull hard. Now install the left support tube. Double check to ensure you have the correct tube. Check the connection. If you install the support tube in the wrong side, here is how to remove it. If you push it in too far with the T-bolt, you can cause the spring to move out of position. If this happens, it's easily fixed. Contact iWALK3 technical support for assistance. Install the clamp nut and bolt. Ensure the holes in the ends of the support tube align with the holes in the clamp. If the holes do not align, try repositioning the clamp by pushing upward or rotating. Insert the T-bolt through the holes and install the T-nut. Leave them partially tightened for now. Step 5. Adjust the foot for right or left leg use. Position the foot for either right leg use or left leg use. Positioned properly, the arrow will be pointing outward away from your injured leg. If the foot is positioned incorrectly, the arrow will be pointing inward toward your uninjured leg. Positioned incorrectly, the iWALK will be unstable, which could result in a fall and/or an injury. Never use your iWALK with incorrect foot orientation. To reorient the foot, remove the height adjustment pin. Rotate the foot 180 degrees. Then reinsert the pin. Put the straps aside for now. In our next video, we will show you where to install them for left or right leg use. Congratulations! You have now assembled your iWALK 3.0. Next, watch the fitting video instructions, where you will learn how to tailor the fit of your iWALK for fastest adaptation and optimum safety and efficiency. If your iWALK was packaged differently, notice any missing parts, or if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our tech support.